Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyrene, and if you're new here, I like to make videos and I post every Sunday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So in today's video, I am going to share with you guys a little mystery unboxing. So this is from Beauty Blender, and this is the Beauty Blender Sweet Surprise Mystery Blind Bag. But I bought two of them just to see like if they're like the same. This one sounds a little more heavier than this one. I think there might be a soap in this one, to be honest, but I'm not sure. Oh, all of them come with like swirls, like with the soap. So I got these half off because like of the site I found. It was like, I think it's like Good Morning America deals. Let me check. Yeah, it's Good Morning America deals, and on the side they have like different types of deals, and for some time Beauty Blender had a deal, so I went ahead and snatched it. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this video started with, so let's get on with the video. So this is the packaging, super cute. And then we got a little colorful on top, and then it says on the bottom, must discard after 12 months. So yeah, so these are the possible beauty blenders that we can get. So we got the classic original one, then we have the joy, which is, we get, oh, it says all the chances. So original is 11 and 24 chance, joy is 6 and 24 chance, chill is 6 and 24 chance, and mystery is 1 and 24 chance. So just to let you guys know, I already have chill and I'm not the biggest fan of it. I don't know why. It's like a little fuzzy and it absorbs all my product, so I'm not the biggest fan of that. Anyways, let's go ahead and open the first one. Okay, so before I open this, I want you guys to tell me in the comments which one you guys think this one is gonna be and which one you guys think this one is gonna be. So which one you guys think the first one's gonna be and which one you guys think is gonna be the second one. So let's go ahead and open the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait for you guys and do that. Did you do that yet? Just kidding. Okay, ready? So, what's inside? Oh, here's the bag. Wow, now it's a mystery bag. Okay, what color is it? I got a yellow one. Oh my gosh, I don't have a yellow one yet. Hi. And then soap. Good, because I was running out of it. This one smells good. Okay, cool. Super happy with my surprise. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. I'm gonna go ahead and open the next one. So, which one did I get, guys? I got a pink one. I haven't had a pink one in a while, so I'm happy for that. And then, of course, we have another swirl, which I'm really happy about because I never have enough of those. Anyways, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that little notification bell before you leave. Today's post notification shout out goes to, yeah, we're pre-filming this, so yeah, thank you so much for, oh my gosh. Ooh, this lipstick is not coming off. If you guys want to know what kind of lipstick this is, make sure you guys watch my previous video, because thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting me and commenting on my last video. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Actually, I won't see you guys. You guys will see me, so you guys will see me next time. Bye.